Hi, I'm Whitney Destiny, and I'm a certified yoga instructor, meditation instructor, as well as a sound healer. And I'll be bringing you videos you can practice to and go along to. So be sure to subscribe to Yoga Baylor. Today's video, we're going to be doing tripod headstand using blocks. I have nice cork blocks here. Use whatever blocks you have. First, you want to make sure the blocks are shoulder width distance, because your head will go between the blocks and both of your shoulders will be on the blocks. The toes are tucked, the knees are hip width distance. And you bring the head down. You want to make sure the shoulders are on the blocks. So you may have to adjust it a couple times until you find the right distance. Also, if you don't feel comfortable using the blocks here, you can also have the blocks up against the wall. And then once you have the right distance, the hands go behind the blocks, placing the head down, shoulders on the blocks. Lift the hips up towards the ceiling and walk the feet in, placing one knee on the elbow and the other knee on the elbow. Hold here, or you can extend all the way up. Core is engaged. And what you want to do is create a straight line, keeping the hips over the shoulders, keeping the core engaged, and then slowly come back down. That's way one. Now the second way of doing it is without the blocks. Again, we use the same exact thing, except this time without the blocks, placing one knee on the shoulder and the other knee. And then slowly engage the core, come up, extending the legs, keeping the core engaged, keeping everything tight, and slowly come back down the same way you came in. The third way is interlacing the hands, and you're going to place the crown of your head right in the middle, lift the hips up, and this time you walk the feet in, lift one leg up, let it hover, and then slowly come up. And keeping the core engaged, keeping everything nice and tight, and then slowly come back down. Those are the three different ways to do the headstand.